Today we'll talk about how can you enable market updates notifications on your Robinhood app. So all you have to do, you just go down, clicking this sign down here. When you click on it here, it's going to take you to your profile. Then all you have to do, just go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to next step here. Then all you have to do, you just click here on settings. So then it's going to take you to next step here. Then you click here on notifications and messages. Then you come to this list here. So then all you have to do now, just click on push notifications. Then it's going to take you to next step here. Then you just go down here. So you keep going down. Then you click here on market updates. Then you come to this list. You come here to market updates. Clicking this sign. Then like you see this color show for us, that's mean it's enabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking